What if I told you there's a lizard that defends itself by shooting blood straight from its eyes? Sounds like a horror movie, right? But it's real. And it's just the beginning. Nature is full of survival tricks that sound too bizarre to be true. Today, we're diving into 5 of the strangest animal adaptations ever discovered. Each one is weirder than the last, and by the end, you'll see just how wild evolution can get. Let's start with the horned lizard. At first glance, it looks like a spiky little reptile you'd find sunbathing in the desert. But when danger strikes, this creature has a defense mechanism that's straight up shocking. It builds up pressure in its head until, bam! It squirts blood from its eyes. The blood doesn't just confuse predators. It actually tastes foul to canines like coyotes. Imagine being a hungry predator, and suddenly your meal shoots blood into your face. You'd think twice about attacking again. Now, let's move to the ocean, where things get even stranger. Meet the immortal jellyfish. Unlike us, it doesn't just age and die. When stressed, injured, or near death, it reverts its cells back to a younger state. In other words, it resets its biological clock. Scientists call this biological immortality. While predators can still eat it, in theory, this jellyfish could live forever. Imagine if humans had that ability. Aging would be optional. But immortality isn't the only superpower in the sea. Enter the pistol shrimp, one of the loudest and deadliest creatures for its size. This tiny shrimp has a claw that snaps shut so fast, it creates a bubble hotter than the surface of the sun. That bubble collapses with a shockwave strong enough to stun or kill nearby prey. And here's the kicker. It's so loud, it can even interfere with sonar equipment. This shrimp is basically carrying a built-in sonic cannon. Now let's head into the rainforest to meet the glass frog. At first, it looks like your average little green frog. But take a closer look, and you'll notice something eerie. Its skin is completely transparent. You can literally see its beating heart and organs through its body. Why would evolution create a see-through frog? Camouflage. When the frog rests on a leaf, its transparent belly blends perfectly with the greenery, making it nearly invisible to predators. But if you thought that was strange, wait until you meet the hagfish. This deep-sea creature looks like something out of a nightmare, long, slimy, and eel-like. And when it's attacked, it unleashes one of the most disgusting defense mechanisms in the animal kingdom. The hagfish produces massive amounts of slime, so much that it can clog the gills and mouths of predators. Sharks, which are usually unstoppable hunters, will literally choke on the slime and spit the hagfish out. Think about it. Blood-squirting lizards, immortal jellyfish, shrimp with sonic weapons, see-through frogs, and slime-spewing hagfish. Each one sounds like it was dreamed up in a science fiction lab, but they're all real. And maybe that's the real lesson here. Survival doesn't always look pretty. Sometimes it looks weird, gross, or downright unbelievable. But in the end, it works. And that's what matters. If you enjoyed this countdown, make sure to check out more videos on the Untold Top 10. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, so you never miss the next wild discovery. See you in the next one.